Good afternoon. It's Friday, October 10th, 2025. I'm standing at 14th Avenue West and 1st Street, continuing with the Monitors project, visiting all the parks in the city from smallest to largest. We started at park number 162 and we have now worked our way up to park number 50. At 12.98 acres, it is Point of Rocks Park. And we're not quite there yet. I just decided to start here to show how to walk in there. So starting here is the easiest way to get to the most dramatic feature of Point of Rocks Park. But there are lots of other nice features as well. So just come down here off of 1st Street. You probably want to park on 1st Street because this is just a dead end at a few houses down here, and it's not real easy turning around, kind of steep. So Point of Rocks Park actually begins right here. And let's see, it was established in 1964, dedicated as the Ray Higgins Observation Point, but apparently was always called Point of Rocks Park. Ray Higgins was a hardware wholesaler from that era. Nice wall of buckthorn to escort you along your way. This has been recently weed whacked, it appears. I mean, just look at that buckthorn, just keeping it at bay, but it's looming overhead. So if those of you who have not been on this trail before, you're gonna be pretty amazed. Like if you have visitors coming into town and you just only have a little time and you want to do something quick, I would recommend this one. Starting to look pretty exciting. You want to watch your step up here. There's lots of tripping hazards in the form of old infrastructure, bolts and things sticking out of the rocks. Yeah. Look at that, huh? Oh, a fresh bolt there. Wow. I just discovered that there's a large homeless encampment down there. Look at that. Wow, that's a big one. There also used to be one in that patch right there. Can't really tell if there is still or not. But that one's new right there. So Point of Rocks Park, almost 13 acres, 12.98 acres. So it basically goes off straight that way. And there's a trail that goes there, and I would highly recommend taking it. It goes down and then it kind of follows that line of trees there along, across from M&H. I did a separate video once where I climbed up from M&H up to here. I wasn't recording parks in order at that time, so I'm doing it again for the official list. Yeah, You can walk up. The trail starts right at the end of those trees there by M&H. Comes up here, comes up through here. And we'll just take a little stroll over that way. I'm not gonna walk all the way down there. Time is a little short today. Oh, and this is part of the Superior Hiking Trail also. Fairly unknown section. Yeah, so the trail continues on down through there. And then the park, it's sort of like a wishbone shape. Part of it goes straight off that way, one wing of the wishbone. Then there's a parking lot, or what used to be a parking lot, a big open area down there. That's not part of the city property. And then on the other side of it, that's that line of trees, sort of the other side of the wishbone, or tuning fork maybe. But there you go. Park number 50, Point of Rocks Park. Thanks for watching.